Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to use draw tools in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Draw tools is located at the top left of the screen. And the first command we're gonna discuss is line, the most commonly used command in AutoCAD. By typing the command line or clicking the icon line, you can start the command. It will ask you for the first point and the next point. You can either press escape to finish the command, or you can continue and then you can click close in your command line. Let's start the line command again with a specific dimension and angle. Turn on ortho by clicking the icon or F8 on your keyboard to constrain the line, horizontal, and vertical. Also, turn on your dynamic input by clicking this icon. Let's start the line command. Let's type 20 and then enter. I want my second line to be with an angle. So first, I will type in the distance, 20, and then press the tab to switch the distance to an angle. I will type 45 and then press enter. Press your escape to exit the command. Polyline. To draw a polyline, either type in P-line and enter, or click the icon above. Similar to how you enter the dimension and the angles in the line command, but the only difference is once you finish, you can select all the lines completely. To draw a circle, either type C and press enter, or by clicking the icon above. One thing to know is that there are different kinds of points to draw a circle, and by clicking the arrow below, you'll see that there are different points to start a circle. What we did earlier is center to radius. You can also do a center and then diameter. There's also 2 points, 3 points, tangent radius, and then tangent, tangent, tangent. To draw an arc, either type A and press enter, or by clicking the icon above, you can start the command. Similar to circle, there are different ways for you to create your arc. To draw a rectangular, either type REC and press enter, or by clicking the icon above. In the command line, you can either click area, dimensions, or rotation. I'm gonna click the dimension. It's gonna ask for the first length. I'll put 5. And then it will ask for the second leg, which is the width. I will put 10. After this, it will ask for the orientation. By just clicking on the outside space, you can set and finish the command. Under rectangular, we also have polygon. If you click the polygon, it will ask you to enter how many size you want. Let's put in 8 and press enter. It will ask for the specific center. It will ask you if it's inscribed or circumscribed. Lastly, we have ellipse. By typing ellipse and press enter, or by clicking this icon above, you can start creating your ellipse. There's also different ways of creating ellipse. These are the ways you can use draw tools in order to start creating your drawing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.